Well, good morning from the Bay of Pigs here in Cuba. It's sunrise right over there. Water is clear, flat, and hello, good morning.
Hello. Good
How are
morning.
you?
Good morning.
This is gorgeous.
Es good.
All right.
¿Todo bien? Buenos días. Good morning. Good morning. Una foto.
Yeah, hello. So friendly.
¿No tienes algún peso? Good morning. $5.
This is the Museum of the Revolution. I don't recognize that airplane. To me, it looks more German than anything else. Anyway, it's a museum dedicated to the revolution by Fidel Castro, and they won. So interesting. It's a roadside rest, roadside stop for lunch. Cute little roadside cafe. There are the bikes out there. And over here, here's the cafe. It's raining, as you can see. Let's zoom in. See the friendly people, happy friendly people. Yeah, it's raining. So, say la vie. We're all in rain gear. Everybody's well equipped with rain gear. Don't know otherwise. So, this is neat. Isn't it pretty? This is actually a dog sanctuary. She takes care of injured dogs. Dogs that have problems getting around, dogs with handicaps, dogs that have been injured. So the lady who owns this place brings them in and takes care of them. My goodness, look at this tree. Isn't this something? That is a gorgeous tree. Wow. Little bitty place on the side of the road, and it's starting to rain. We are... All right, everybody, listen up. So everybody wave to the world. Everybody wave to the world. Hi, world. There you go. That's us. Here's one of the tour leaders. He rides sweep. Houses over on the hill. That's a hotel down there. Looks like it's very nice. This is a beautiful bridge over a pretty water with the sunlight on it. And this is the first time today we didn't have rain. We ran into actual dry weather. So we've been driving in the rain, riding in the rain all day long. And I was enjoying it. I really was. I swear, I've had a really good time. As long as I can keep that bike vertical, I'm in good shape. Well, this is our third day here. This is our hotel for the evening, our room. Un cámara con baño. Un camera con baño. A room with a bath, I think. I think that's Italian. Probably get along here with camera con baño. So that's a nice room.
And it is expensive, but everybody said it's another big fish. It's a human, and this is exactly what happened. We don't drink. Maybe one day we don't drink vodka. We don't eat salami.